Hey guys, Brandon here, Florida's RV Country here in Okeechobee, Florida. I want to show you this brand new Flagstaff. We just started carrying the Flagstaff line. It's a very good line for us. We've got a extra large dinette area here, nice TV entertainment center with a sofa, turns into a bed as well. Our nice big kitchen. The Flagstaffs do come with this beautiful new refrigerator design and our suburban stovetop. Alright, let's take a look into the back here. Got our bed area here, nice storage here, and of course the bathroom, floor flush toilet by Dometic, corner shower. Alright, let's take a look outside. So, automatic awnings. Now, this is pre-wired for solar panels if you do long-term camping. Side toppers on the top, keeping all that debris off your RV. Dual propane. Of course, slides here. So if you have any questions about this RV, feel free to call us at 863-623-4689. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day.